Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. So dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 2 and the topic is output devices. So all the students, open your computer book, page number 20. And you can see bottom of the page, the topic is output devices. Okay students, so open everyone, page number 20. You can see here the topic is output devices. Dear students, a computer displays the output using output devices. Let us learn more about printers and plotters. Dear students, this is the flow chart of printer. Here you can see there are two type of printer. First is impact printer and second is non-impact printer. Okay, dot matrix is the impact printer and inkjet and laser is the non-impact printer. Okay, so dear students, this output device prints information on a sheet of paper. Printer can give only still output in the form of image, text or graphics. Okay students, printer gives output on a sheet of paper. Okay students, now come to the next page. Dear students, there are two type of printers. First is impact printer and second is non-impact printer. You must have to remember this. There are two type of printer. First is impact printer and second is non-impact printer. Okay, dear students, the character and graphics are printed by streaking on the paper. This type of printer creates noise while printing and does not produce very high quality print. The most common example of an impact printer is a dot matrix printer. Short form is DMP. Dear students, dot matrix printer has teeny pins or hammers that strike the ink ribbon to produce the desired output. It produces only black and white output. A dot matrix printer is not very expensive. Okay students, dot matrix printer produce the desired output. It produces only black and white output and it is not very expensive. Okay students, now the second types of printer is non-impact printer. Dear students, in this kind of printer there is no physical contact between the paper and the ink. Once again listen carefully. In the non-impact printer there is no physical contact between the paper and the inked ribbon. Dear students, this printing head does not strike the paper. Therefore, a non-impact printer is quieter than a impact printer. Okay students, and there are two types of non-impact printer. First is inkjet printer and second is laser printer. Dear students, inkjet printer prints the text and graphic by spraying small drops of ink on the paper. It prints faster than a dot matrix printer. It can also give colored output. Inkjet printer is the most commonly used printer for personal work. It can print up to 5 pages per minute. Dear students, this type of printer can print up to 5 pages per minute. Okay, and the second type printer is laser printer. Dear students, laser printer uses laser beams to print the output. It is very fast, uses dry ink to print and produce high quality output. It produces black and white as well as colored output. A laser printer can print up to 10 pages per minute. Dear students, you must have to remember this. A laser printer can print up to 10 pages per minute and a inkjet printer can print 5 pages per minute. Dear students, laser printer is the most expensive among the 3 kinds of printer. Laser printer are commonly used in big organization where hard copies are required in large scale. Okay students, now come to the next topic. Our next topic is plotter. Okay, dear students, a plotter prints vector graphic, which means it can print on very large sheet while maintaining high resolution. It is used for creating high quality designs, graphics, chart, diagram and so on. Once again students, listen carefully. A plotter prints vector graphics, which means it can print on very large sheet while maintaining high resolution. It is used for creating high quality designs, graphics, charts, diagrams and so on. Dear students, this is the flow chart of plotter. There are 2 types of plotter. First is drum plotter and second is flat bed plotter. Okay, now we will discuss about drum plotter. So come to the next page. This is the page number 22. This is the page number 22. Dear students, a plotter can print on flat material such as a sheet of paper, cardboard and plastic. It uses ink pens, marker or inkjet to create an impression. Okay students, they are commonly used for computer aided design, short form is CAD, and computer aided manufacturing, short form is CAM, for printing designs for building, houses, ships, machinery, posters and so on. Plotters are highly expensive as compared to printer. The 2 types of plotter are drum plotter and flat bed plotter. Okay students, so look at the topic drum plotter. Dear students, in this type of plotter, paper is wrapped around a rotating drum with a pin feed attachment. Dear students, in this type of drum plotter, during printing, the drum revolves while the actual pen does the printing. A drum plotter is also known as roller plotter. Okay. Now come to the next topic, that is flat bed plotter. Dear students, it is a graphic plotter that has a flat surface on which the paper is placed. It draws by moving a pen in both horizontal and vertical direction over a sheet of paper. The flat surface of the plotter is called bed. The size of a drawing is determined by the size of a plotter's bed. Dear students, now come to the info box. You can see here the Calcomp model 565 was the world's first drum plotter. It was invented in 1959. And the Calcomp model 738 was an early flatbed plotter. It was used in 1970s. Okay. Then after, here you can see, let's review. You have to give answer. This is the answer in one word. How many types of printer are there? Name the printer that use dry ink. Name a non-impact printer. Name the device that can print on a wide variety of flat material. So dear students, this is the homework for you. You have to search out the answer from your book and you have to fill. Okay students, this is for HW. Okay students, now the class has gone over, and in the next class I will explain the exercise of chapter 2. So all the students must watch my next video. Okay students, bye bye, good day.